let's solve this question together. It says x raised to the power 1 plus root 5 is equal to 2. We are going to find x raised to the power 12. Okay, so how do we do this? Now, the first thing we can say is that let's find out what x raised to the power 12 is equal to. X raised to the power 12 can be equal to x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power of 6. Okay, and this follows from the law of indices that says that a raised to the power m multiplied by n is equal to a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n. Okay, now moving on from here, we can say that this is now equal to x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 2, okay, or raised to the power of 3. Again, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so knowing this now, we can now say that for our x raised to x to be equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, let's first find x squared. X squared is equal to 1 plus root 5 all over 2, okay, and we square both the numerator and the denominator. This is now equal to 1 squared is 1 plus root of 5 squared is 5 plus 5 times 1. Root of 5 times 1 is root of 5 times 2 is 2 root 5. Okay, divided by 2 squared, which is 4. This is equal to 6 plus 2 root 5 all over 4, which is now equal to 3 plus root 5 all over 2. And this is our x squared. Okay, now the next thing we should do is to find the square of x squared and then the cube of our answer. Okay, now moving on from here, we have that our x squared is equal to 3 plus root 5 squared divided by 2 squared. This is now equal to 3 squared is 9 plus root of 5 squared is 5 plus 3 times root 5 is 3 root 5 times 2 is 6 root 5. Okay, divided by 4 is equal to 14 plus 6 root 5 divided by 4, okay, which is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5, okay, all over 2. Okay, now moving on from here, we can say that we are going to find x squared, all cubed, okay, and let this be equal to y cubed. Now, we agree with me that y cubed is equal to y squared multiplied by y. Okay, now moving on from here, let's first square this. So we have our 7 plus 3 root 5 all over 2 squared. Okay, now this is equal to 7 squared is 49, 3 squared is 9, root of 5 squared is 5, 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21, times 2 is 42, so this is plus 42, root 5, divided by 4. This is now equal to 49 plus 45 is 94, plus 42 root 5, divided by 4, which is equal to 94 divided by 2 is 47, plus 21 root 5, divided by 2. Okay, now next thing, we are going to multiply this by this, okay, which is what our y cubed is. Now moving on from here, multiplying this becomes equal to 47 multiplied by 7, okay, plus 47 multiplied by 3 root 5 plus 7 multiplied by 21 root 5 plus, okay, the last number is 21 root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5 divided by 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so this is equal to 329 plus 141 plus 147 is 288 root 5 plus 63 times 5 is 315 divided by 4. Now this is equal to 644 plus 288 root 5 divided by 4. This is now equal to 644 divided by 4 is 161 plus 288 divided by 4 is 72 root 5. Okay, so now This is our y raised to power 3. And invariably, this becomes equal to x raised to power 12. Okay? To be equal to 161 plus 72 root 5. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.